everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in another challenge. This time is the Around the World on a Broomstick for Halloween. This is a challenge that is about making a wreath for Halloween, and is hosted by Ruth from Kentucky Frey'd Fun, Pat from Style with Pat, and Kiki from Kiki DIYs. I've been a follower of two of them, Pat and Kiki, and I found Ruth just a couple of months ago, and I love all the three channels. I find all the inspiration I need for my DIYs and many other things, because some of them have cleaning tips, they make tours around their homes, so honestly it's worth paying a visit, and I encourage you to visit their channels. The links are in the description box below, along with a playlist with all the videos of the people who are participating in this challenge. So I also will ask you to watch those videos, because you know we all put a lot of time and love to make these DIYs for maybe you to get inspired, and I really think that we must support each other watching the videos. Okay, let's go to the DIY. I had this wreath that I painted black last year and ended up not using it. So this year I thought, okay, let's give it a second chance. I spray painted it a little bit with white for it not to be so dark, like, you know, this was the color I finally got when I painted it black first. So I just gave it a little bit of white spray paint. I added a little bit of glitter glue in purple, not too much, just some touches. And now I'm going to add another item. I have this nice guy here. Say hi. And okay, I'm going to add it to the wreath. I want him to be, or her, to be sitting, so I'm going to add a lot of glue, hot glue, and let's pray that it's going to stay in place. I use mainly Dollar Tree items. Some of them I had them already at hand. Some of them I bought it this year. So here we go. Now I'm going to add hot glue to the head. Okay, requires a lot of patience and pressure. I would probably add some E6000 later, because I can see that it's not going to stay in place if I don't add some stronger adhesive. This part is not going to be seen, so I don't mind if the hot glue can be seen now. I'm going to add some glue gun here. Wherever the bones touch the wreath, I'm going to add hot glue. we go. I'm still not adding hot glue in this area because I'm going to add something here and I don't know where exactly the arms are going to stay, so I'm just leaving that for after I finish. Okay, it's taking a long time for this hot glue to dry. I don't know why. As I say, when you do things off camera, everything goes smoothly. As soon as you turn the camera on, problems start happening. But really, you see, it's still not dry. Okay, let's go on. Then I want the feet to be crossed, so I'm going to add some glue gun here. Not glue gun, hot glue. You know, I always say glue gun when it is hot glue. I don't know why. Okay. Bear with me. I'm going to glue the feet also because they are turning backward all the time. So still not dry. I don't know what's going on. I've been using black paint and my nail looks like it's dirty, but it's not, believe me. The life of DIYers, nails are always, the nails are always looking dirty because we are painting and stuff. Then I bought this sign from Dollar Tree. They are carrying this year. You probably had seen them. It has, I don't know where the other side, it has another side here and two sides here. It's very easy to disassemble. You just cut with a X-Acto knife every side and you get this part. So I'm going to add this here. I want this guy to be holding this sign. So hopefully I will be able to get this hot glue to dry fast and keep the sign in place. So let's press and press and press and pray and pray and pray. Okay. As you can see, everything is really easy. It's only a matter of gluing and taking the time for it to dry. Then I'm going to add this bow that I made with these tails. This is a ribbon that I had. I've been having it, this is the right side, for ages. I really don't remember where I bought it, but I think it was at Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure it was there because I buy everything there. So I'm going to move this guy this way. Let me see where I'm going to put the bow. Like here. So the tails are going to go here. I need my protectors for my finger. Another one, so I can press this tail. Again, let me see. I can glue it to the right to the bow, maybe. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. Yes, and let's do the other one. Here we go. Again, we have to be patient and wait for the hot glue to dry. Okay. Then, now it's time to add the bow. I don't have I hope it will stay in place because I don't have a lot of surface to add it to glue it to. So let's say here and here, and that's kind of it. Okay. Okay. Later I will see if I can secure it better. Now I'm going to glue the tails with just little dots of glue here and there. It's not working, and I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm going to take care of that later. I just want you to see, to have the idea of what I want to do. I can finish it later. And the same this side. I can glue this here. And same here. Is it in frame? Yes. Sometimes I forget to check if what I'm doing is in frame. I burnt. Okay, so this is the first part, and I'm going to add a few other things, a few other items. And I bought at Dollar Tree these tiny skulls, and also these bats are from last year. They are hair clips. I removed the clips. They come here, the clips. I remove them, and I'm going to add one here, for example. And another one over there. Let's see. Like here. Yes. There it goes. And I'm going to add two of these skulls. I think one is going to go here and the other one is going to go over there. A bit here. I think there is okay. Maybe there. Okay. I don't know what would it be of my life without a glue gun. I can't live without my glue gun. So, well, here you have it. My new Halloween wreath. I wanted to renew mine because I have one that I have had it for, I don't know, like 12 years or maybe more, and I wanted a new one, and I think this looks really pretty. I may be adding something here, but I like it. I like it this way. I hope you can see it. Here are the feet. Glue gun everywhere. And I'll show you a picture of it hanging from the door for you to see how it looks in full. But as you can see, it's just a matter of painting and adding stuff. It's really easy. I don't know how long it took, but it was just a few minutes and I had it ready. And I think I really like it. I really like it. I hope you like it too. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't a subscriber already, and ring the bell so you will get notified whenever I upload a new video, which is usually on Mondays, except when there is a challenge and I may be uploading another day. Thanks so much to all the hostesses for hosting this awesome challenge. I love it. I love Halloween. Please visit their channels. Please watch the videos in the playlist. Remember, the links are below in the description box. And thank you to all of you so much for watching. It means a lot to me when you watch and when you comment. You're always really nice. And hope to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.